हरिः कर्ता।
So far we have seen systems that act like humans, systems that think like humans. Now let's look into the systems that think rationally. Think rationally. The concept of creating systems that think rationally is an area of research in artificial intelligence called logical AI. The idea is to build machines that can reason logically and make decisions based on the explicit rules and principles. So, rational thinking involves the ability to analyze and evaluate information, draw conclusions, and make decisions based on the sound reasoning. So humans are not always rational. Everybody knows that. That's the reason we got the behavioral economics. We used to have a classical economics, and then from there we got the behavioral economics. In most of the cases, we don't behave rationally. There are a lot of biases comes into the picture, and there are a lot of historical data that you have stored in your mind comes into the picture. And basically, that's what a human is: an accumulated amount of data in your brain. That's is human. Okay, so humans are not always rational. So rational is nothing but defined in terms of logic. Rational based on the logic. So logic can't express everything. Example, uncertainty. That's the main issue with the logic. Logic can't express everything. Example, uncertainty. So logical approach is often not feasible in terms of computation time. So needs guidance. So the study of the mental facilities through the use of computational models. So that's what the quotation that was given by McDormott for the systems that think rationally. Basically, we also call it as a loss of thought. Loss of thought. Then the study of the computations that make it possible to perceive, reason, and act. It's by Winston for the systems that think rationally or loss of thought. So, AI systems that think rationally use symbolic representations and logical rules to model and manipulate knowledge and draw conclusions from it. So, one of the main challenges in creating systems that think rationally is knowledge representation. AI systems need to be able to represent knowledge in a way that can be processed logically, and this often requires a great deal of domain specific expertise. So another challenge is developing algorithms that can perform complex logical reasoning effectively. So researcher in AI are exploring different techniques for reasoning, including propositional logic, predicate logic, and model logic. Of course, there are huge amount of applications for systems that think rationally, including expert systems, knowledge-based systems, and automated reasoning systems. So these systems are used in a variety of domains, including medicine, law, engineering, and finance.